What inspired me to finally settle on solar was the impact that I saw that it had in communities. Solar power enabled many communities to have personal autonomy.
Solar energy ilinitia morali juu nikiuza napata pesa na sitiri familia yangu, watoto wanasoma vizuri na nyumbani pia tunakula vyema.
I've looked into ways on how you can make knowledge even more accessible, how you can demystify especially difficult engineering concepts that very many people, especially girls, shy away from, and make them more accessible.
This training has really changed my STEM perception in that I used to think that STEM is very difficult and very complex, but I've realized that it is very simple when you're taken through.
This innovation can have such a huge impact on other people's lives in very small ways.
Kwa mafundisho ya leo nimeweza kufurahia zaidi. Kuna vijiji vingine vya mbali pia iweze kufika elimu hiyo na waweze kunufaika.
Yale mafunzo ambayo nimefundishwa hapa nitaweza kuyatumia pale shuleni ili ya kwamba kila mmoja na kufanya watoto wapate kusoma kirahisi.
My teacher told me I will have visitors today. They come to train us about solar. The training is going to be conducted by the women, and I'm so proud of it because I'm also a woman.
There have been many moments where I've seen a significant change in a student's confidence and abilities. Towards the end, the transformation was just incredible because you could see that they felt that they had accomplished something they did not believe they could accomplish.
I was just proud of how I connected the light and come out and light up.
We ladies, we are not given any opportunity, but for now we are given that opportunity so we could use it. It's precious, it's great.
I want to be an electrician engineering and even a solar engineer.